Okay, so we are really excited, and I'll tell you why I'm so excited, because this is a software which I really love the most. I love SEMrush also, Ahrefs and Moz. These are three softwares. I work a lot on these softwares. Now I'll be doing some investigation. Probably you might have gone through my previous sessions where I'm doing a lot of investigations by using SEMrush, but now I'm using Moz as well. So let us check so that go to Moz so that you'll get to know what all options they have. So let's check and let's check. So you can see that I'm on Moz as of now. So I'm using Moz Pro as of now. You can see this is my dashboard. So let us check. Okay, this is about visibility. We'll check in detail what exactly is this visibility. You can see digital marketing course Ahmedabad ranking number one. Nice. So I can also connect my Google Analytics with Moz so that I can get some more details. I can do it. I can add competitor site as well. So let us go ahead. Let us check. Okay, make suggestions, insight. Let's go to insights. Okay, welcome. This is where you find actionable insights. Okay. So let us see, check back here often. Okay, fine. So while your data is collecting, check out some insights. They're going to show me, what exactly I need to do. But you can see that a quick glance at how your keyword performed from last week. Okay, fine. Moved up, moved down. So on the keyword moved up, which is digital marketing course in Ahmedabad. If I click on view all ranking, I'll get to know. So what I've done is I've added only two keywords here, which is digital marketing course in Ahmedabad. Okay, fine. So this is okay. Ahmedabad is 1 and 2. This has moved up. Volume is 1.7 to 2.9k. Okay, fine. So let's go down. Now I think I need to pay attention. 4xx issues. So 502 pages crawled. 14 new issues, 660 issues. So let us check what all these issues. 4xx, which is 404, 403, sort 404. So some issue with the page. Let us check. Okay, this is creating a problem. So I think I need to work on it. I need to get in touch with my developer if this is creating some problem, because this is home 2. Okay, fine. We'll see what is home 2. But this is one is creating problem. This has a good page authority. Courses. Let me check if I go here. Okay. Now I've understood. So what I need to do is I need to remove this URL from Google search engine, and I need to do redirections. Now keep this in mind, because this page, you see this page, courses digital marketing. This is the page. So I think this page is about course and digital marketing. This is the page, but this is not the URL. Keep this in mind. This is the right URL, and what I'm going to do is I'll be doing redirections. So that is important. So I'll be doing it. You can check my session where I'm talking about redirections. Very important. So I'll make note that I'm going to work on it. Let me check this also. I guess this is coming from some template. I'm not sure. Okay. So I'm going to work on it as well. So this is showing me that this is going to digital marketing course. So again, what I'm going to do is I'll be making sure that I'll be redirecting this page to this page, which is a digital marketing course in Ahmedabad. So this is one important takeaway. So I'll create a list of takeaways as well. So this is, so I'll write, let's say, notepad. So this is going to be my takeaway. Number one is, this issue. So I can export this as well. So this is the issue. So I need to solve pages with 4xx, which is important to solve. 4xx as seen in Moz. So what is the solution? Solution is to redirect. So 301. So I'll be using 301. This page, I'll be redirecting it to this page. So where is the page? Just a sec. So this page. So crawling issue. Okay, site crawl. So this is the page. Okay, so I need to redirect this to this. So we spoke a lot about this. So I need to redirect this. Okay. So you're getting my point, right? So I need to do it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 301, because this page is showing some page authority. So I don't want to lose link juice. Okay, so I'm going to working on this crawler warning. Let us check crawler warning. If they're giving me some warnings. You have no crawler warning. Okay. No index. Okay, meta no follow. Okay. Let's go to next redirection issues. Let me see if they found some redirect. Okay, so this is okay. This is actually redirecting to, I guess, Brandveda home page. Let us check. Okay, 301, 41 page authority. This is important. You can see that this will go to brandveda.in. Looks nice. Okay, page authority is 41. Looks very good. Metadata issues. So we checked many times meta missing canonical tag. Now this is important. So what I'm going to do is I'll be putting missing canonical tags. So let's say if I go to issue type, okay, these are all missing canonical. So I need to put canonical tags across all my pages. So this is another very important takeaway, which I'm going to do it. So install canonical tags across all pages on the website. So this is important. So make sure that you do this. Okay, so I'm going to solve this. I know I can solve this easily. Okay, so these are all issues. Okay, so I'm going to export this. Okay, looks good. Okay, let's go to next. Missing canonical. So I think okay, number 4. Okay, so I think all pages need to have canonical issues. So I'm going to solve this for sure. Okay, URL too long. So I guess URL too long. It means if I go here, you see that this is quite big. So I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change it. I just want to make sure that if I'm having backlink to these pages, because if I change this URL, this will become 404. So I need to do redirects. But let me check. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find all URL longs, because I'm going to keep it short. So all long URLs must be converted into short URLs, and if require use redirections. So make sure you check backlinks before you change URL, otherwise you will lose all your link juice. Okay, fine. So this is URL too long. Okay. So I'm going to work on it. Okay, missing canonical. Anyways, canonical tags. I'm going to work on it. Let's go next. Missing canonical. So this is the importance. So that's why I spoke in my class about canonical tags. URL too long. Okay, fine. So I'm going to solve all these issues. 653 can be solved, but I need to pay attention. Content issues, let us check content issues. And if I go back, you can check here, missing title too long, title too short, which is page title. I did it many times. You can check my video using SitePulp. Missing canonical 482, missing description pages which does not have description. Okay, URL too long. So I'm going to work on metadata issues, which is missing title, title too long, title too short. So I'm going to work on it. Keep this in mind. So if I export, let us check what it shows. Okay, this is what, so what I done is like I just downloaded this PDF, and you can see this is a nice PDF. I can send it to my developer. I can send it to my client or developer to take action on this page. Okay, looks nice. Okay, so you can see that looks nice. So I'm having all pages. It's a PDF document, very nice. I think I can click on link also, which is nice. You can see that I can see page authority of all these pages. URL length. Okay, so I'm having all these links. I need to work on it. 1 of 135. Okay, so URL too long. So all these links I need to work. So I just want to make sure that if they have any backlinks, if they have a backlink, we need to work on it, because we just cannot just change a URL, right? Okay, fine, but let's go next. Okay, content issues. So duplicate content, let us check. Duplicate content, so 2 pages. These are all blogs and Google Ad strategies. Affected pages 2. If I click on analyze, so I think this is one blog, Google Ad strategy. Let us see what is the problem with this. So 200 code, 59 characteristic, page authority 20, the duplicate content. So it's showing duplicate content. Let me check what it is. Okay, missing canonical is okay. Okay, so this is a referring page. So let me look into it. This is page number 14. Okay. And this is, okay, so done. So Google preview, referring page. Okay, this is the referring page. So let me check. This is the referring page. Okay, you can see this is the referring page. Okay, so I guess some issue with this page. Let me check Google Ad strategies. Okay, so probably there is no content. It's a thin content because you find images. So yes, I'm going to work on this page, which is important. Looks nice. So I'm going to work on this page. I'll go back. So I'm going to work on this page, which is duplicate pages. All it's having thin content. You can see thin content. I'm not sure why they're not showing me thin content, but I guess I showed you this. This is a thin content, example of thin content. There is no content on this page. It's an image. Keep this in mind. So I'm going to work on it. So let's go to performance metrics. Let us check. Now this I need to pay attention. So which is core web vitals. CLS looks good, but not good with LCP and TBT. Okay, fine. So you can see mobile performance. So what it means is we are actually checking the performance of website on mobile device. Let me check. If I click on analyze, it's in progress. We'll see it. So suggestions. So let me check. So I need to take a crawl depth. Page authority is 43, LCP is 15.9, total blocking time 60 to 750. That's okay, but I'm going to work on it. Okay, so core web vital. So I'm going to work on it. So so we spoke about this, which is site crawl. In my next video, we'll be talking about links. So make sure that you start doing this activity and try to make all the links so that we can see what else can be done. This is important.